So let's continue to another lesson. So in this one, we are going to be looking at why should we use a computer? Why should we use a computer? In this case, we are going to look at what types of things can you do on the computer? What type of things can you do on the computer? At the same time, we are going to be looking at what kind of things do you want to do on a computer? What kind of things do you want to do on a computer? So here we are saying that, can you do these things without a computer? You probably can, but computers can help you. They give you. So we are to see what are the importances of a computer. So those they are saying that you can do these activities, but now they are extending to say that once you get a computer, then they can the computers, what it will do for you is that, number one, it will increase the speed or the rate at what at the rate at or the pace you are using to do your work. So we are saying that computers can complete tasks much faster than we can. Computers can complete tasks much faster than we can. For example, printing. You see, every time you give a command to a printer, it does a big job in a short period of time. Once you want to type, to send, to call someone, the phone or the computer device will always be very faster, will always be speedy in delivering your communication. Then we have accuracy. In this, we are saying that computers do not make mistakes unless you make them fast by giving bad information. What do we mean here? Computers do not make mistakes. So it is you, the user, who is entering that does the mistake. If you enter wrong information will always come out. In this case, that is why you normally hear a lot of computer people say that garbage in, garbage out. So accuracy. Then we are having another point that is saying reliability. Reliability. Computers will not change their minds by how they feel about you, meaning that computers do not actually think about how you are feeling, maybe how you are, if you are headache. For them, they don't think about that. For them, what they think about is what you give them or you command them to do. So that is why we say that computers will not change their minds by how they feel about you. So even though you slap a computer, for the computer will not feel that you have slapped it, but for it will continue processing until what you've given it is completed. Then we have another point, that is memory. Memory. Computers can work with huge amounts of information much faster than we can. Memory. Computers can work with huge amounts of information much faster than we can. And actually here, you normally see people, whenever they are going to buy a computer, they first ask, how much is your hard disk, or how much is your RAM? They want to test, can that memory hold big amounts of data, large amounts of data? So in this case, computers having this much memory will always help you to run faster.